If your YouTube TV Live Guide is showing blank or missing channels, it's usually caused by network issues, app glitches, or home area problems. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is strong and stable. Move closer to the router, restart it, or switch to a 5 GHz network for faster loading. Step 2. Restart the YouTube TV app. Fully close the app on your smart TV, Fire Stick, Roku, Apple TV, or mobile device, then open it again. This often forces the Live Guide to refresh. Step 3. Restart your device. Turn off your TV or streaming device, wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on. A quick reboot clears memory issues that may block the guide from loading. Step 4. Check your home area settings. Open your profile, go to Settings, then Area, then Home Area. Make sure the location is correct and matches your actual home. You must be connected to your home Wi-Fi for local channels to appear. Step 5. Clear the app cache. On Android TV or Fire Stick, open Settings, go to Apps, select YouTube TV, and choose Clear Cache. On Roku, press Home 5 times, up once, rewind twice, and fast-forward twice to reset the cache. On Apple TV or iPhone, delete and reinstall the app. Step 6. Update your app and device software. Install any available updates for both YouTube TV and your device. Outdated versions often fail to load the Live Guide properly. After completing these steps, your Live Guide should display correctly with all available channels and program schedules. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.